Not this time around. You shall see. My king, please calm down. Be patient. Everything will be fine.
Obumakuma,
My people, I have called you here to still tell you that only we, the people of Insutaman, are the only creators the Almighty God has created. We shall not succumb to any other tribe. All other tribes are fake.
Who is this? How dare you, wild beast? You coward of coward lineage, fetch water from this river. Were you not warned that only we, the people of Insutaman, have the right to fetch water here?
Look at my skin color, dressing and all. I am the product of Yenien. I deserve to fetch the water and I will fetch.
We shall see.
We shall see.
Greetings, my king.
Greetings. Today, I have summoned you here to still let you know that it's only our cultural beliefs that is supreme in this world. Do not tolerate any one person. Do not show compassion, mercy, or peace to any tribe on this land. We, the people of Yenien, are superior.
My king, we shall fight and crush anyone that wants to share equality with us. The people of Yenien,
We shall fight.
I agree with you, my sister.
This is my king.
My elder, I have realized that we have to settle this misunderstanding between the people of Yenien and the people of Insutaman.
My king, I disagree with Ejanto. Think of the life lost, properties being destroyed, all because of this misunderstanding. My king, I think we should settle this misunderstanding and make peace prevail.
My elder, I will think about it and I will get back to you.
Thank you. So these two tribes will not let peace run. How can you be fighting over a river? Can't resolve the issue. You refuse. I gave you up to 10 a.m. It is 12 noon and no show. Hey, we shall meet at the white man's court then.
Right. Case number 2743 2 002 102 2025 2. Is the chief of the Insutaman present?
Yes, my lord.
Is the chief of Yenien present?
Yes, my lord.
You people are known for causing trouble in your community. You fight and even murder each other. Shut up before I throw you into jail. Your king called you for arbitration, but you refused. For that, you are sentenced to 50 years in prison. Order. Now to you, subjects. All the laws are contained in the books, and practices of these courts are copied from your traditional values: equality before men, tolerance, justice, and peaceful coexistence. These are the fundamentals in which our democracy thrives. Go home and stay in peace. Thank you, my Lord, for letting us know that we are all one. Oh my baby,